Not only men or women have a standard waistline and a flat belly is the dream of millions. If extreme diets or hours in the gym make you extremely tired and time-consuming, then there is a dish, which can be called drinks. This drink with ingredients selected materials will help you lose belly fat effectively. Not everyone is lucky to have a perfect body. Most women have specific defects in their bodies, in which belly fat is considered the most challenging problem. How to reduce belly fat effectively is always a headache. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell to update useful videos. The condition of belly fat may be due to many different reasons such as sitting too much, having just gone through birth, gaining weight too fast, and tons of other causes. Whatever the cause, belly fat still makes women feel inferior when communicating and it's difficult to choose clothes, but all make women lose confidence when talking, and even harder to choose clothes. Let's also explore the many vitamins in the world and our menu every day to reduce belly fat effectively and safely. Now BellyFatZone.com invite you to refer to this video together. 23 types of smoothie help you lose belly fat every day. 1. Tomato Smoothie. Tomato is a fruit that contains very little sugar, fewer calories but is rich in fiber. When it enters the body, it will interfere with fat absorption. Also, tomatoes are very easy to digest, help beautify the skin, and replenish blood. Therefore, tomato smoothies are the first choice to put on the menu to reduce belly fat. You can squeeze 2 ripe tomatoes or 12 cherry tomatoes to drink before each meal. When drinking tomato juice to lose weight, you should not starve and drink juice because your body will not adapt immediately. 2. Watermelon Smoothie. Watermelon contains calories, low fat, and natural sugar. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture's test, 200 grams of watermelon contains only 45 calories, 1 gram of protein, 0.25 grams of fat, 11.5 grams of carbohydrate, 0.5 grams of fiber and 9.5 grams of sugar, 170 grams of water. Watermelon is very low in energy but contains plenty of water, which helps you to be full and full longer, helping to reduce belly fat effectively. 3. Pineapple Smoothies. Pineapple fruit, also called pineapple, is a fruit with a high organic acid content, is a rich source of manganese as well as a high content of vitamin C and vitamin B1. Eating pineapple helps you feel fuller, reduces cravings. Not only that, the pineapple fiber will help regulate the release and absorption of carbohydrates, promote energy metabolism, fight fat accumulation in the body, help reduce belly fat effectively, stool-solving excess calories in the body, eliminating the body's fat helps your body become more firm and supple. 4. Mango with avocado. Many women do not dare to eat avocado even though it is very nutritious for fear of fat. However, avocado is a useful weight loss food. It is also one of the few fruits that do not contain cholesterol but contains monounsaturated fat. This type of fat is right for the body to help reduce cholesterol and prevent obesity effectively, very suitable for reducing belly fat. With high protein and fiber content, low salt content, avocado is gorgeous skin, beautiful shape. Both avocado and mango are healthy nutritious fruits. The effect of avocado is well known. Also in mango fruit contains a lot of oleic acids to help reduce your appetite. 5. Mango and orange smoothies. In addition to combining mango and butter, you can also try an effective combination of mango and orange to create attractive smoothies and help to lose weight effectively. You only need half a cup of mango peeled and removed, add a few slices of orange and peeled nuts, and 1/2 cup of skim milk to be pureed with a smoothie to get a cup of extreme drinks. The significant period helps to reduce belly fat effectively. 6. Fruit smoothies combined with green vegetables. The ingredients that you need to prepare are bananas, peaches, and some green herbs such as parsley, vegetables. In this vitamin that contains a plentiful vitamin, you can drink a smoothie instead of breakfast. Vitamins help you replenish the water and nutrients needed for your body, good for your summer days and also suitable for reducing belly fat. Try using this method for a few weeks in a row, and you will find that reducing belly fat is effective quickly. 7. Strawberry and banana smoothies. Strawberries are rich in vitamins A and C while bananas are rich in potassium. Combining these two fruits, you have a very nutritious drink, which helps to beautify the skin, enhance the activity of the brain and, importantly, it is very delicious. You can drink this smoothie without worrying about gaining weight. 8. Lemon Orange Smoothie. Reducing belly fat with sour fruit probably is no stranger to many of us. Orange is one of them, with ample amounts of vitamin C and calcium. Eating oranges not only brings beauty benefits but also reduces belly fat, loses weight, restricts cholesterol, and beautifies the skin. 9. Weight loss smoothies from pineapple, cucumber, and spinach. Spinach contains lots of nutrients and low calorie, so it's great for weight loss. This leafy vegetable is also rich in vitamin A, C, folate, magnesium and many other vitamins. Pineapples and cucumbers contain many antioxidants and digestive enzymes to promote the loss of excess fat and fluids, anti-inflammatory and boost metabolism, help lose weight. 10. Kiwi, lettuce, and spinach. Kiwi, spinach, and lettuce combine to provide a great deal of fiber, antioxidants that help with weight loss. Kiwi contains vitamin C, vitamin K, and other essential nutrients. They also have low calorie and energy content. Lettuce and spinach have the low calorie content. This green juice contains diuretic and cleansing properties that help remove toxins in the body. 11. Cucumber, celery and green apple juice. This green juice formula contains very little calories but is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. A cucumber has about 16 calories, vitamins K, C, potassium, magnesium and other essential nutrients. Green apples contain compounds that promote the growth of good bacteria in the intestines, helping to lose weight. 12. Carrots, lettuce, broccoli, tomatoes. This formula for weight loss smoothies is only 50 calories. The presence of vitamin A in carrots is converted to retinoid in the body, interacting with your fat cells and tissues. Besides, lettuce and broccoli are low in calories, which is why this juice will help you lose weight and purify your body, beautify your skin. 13. Lemon, parsley, and spinach. The ingredients used in this weight loss smoothie formula are very diuretic, help clean and fight inflammation effectively, thereby helping to lose weight. Lemon helps burn calories, diuretic parsley, and these ingredients help boost metabolism in the body while increasing the immune system. 14. Blueberries, cucumbers and green tea. Incredibly refreshing, this purple smoothie exudes a sour taste and soil from fresh lemon juice and green tea. It also includes blueberries, which help dispel belly fat. Researchers at the University of Michigan found that mice fed a blueberry-rich diet for 90 days showed abdominal fat significantly decreased compared to the control group. 15. Bananas, pears, cinnamon, and coriander. Cream smoothie, this spice has a complex flavor that will surely satisfy. Rich in resistant starch, bananas provide a boost to your metabolism by encouraging your liver to switch to fat burning. Potassium in bananas can also reduce abdominal bloating by adjusting sodium levels. Pears are an excellent source of fiber, slowing down digestion to help you feel fuller longer. Quinoa, a whole grain cereal, provides extra texture as well as protein to enhance further the ability of this smoothie to maintain its strength. 16. Kiwi, zucchini, and apple. This bright green smoothie explodes with the health benefits of kiwi, kale, zucchini and green apples. These fruits and vegetables have a low calorie intake, but they also provide fiber to help regulate blood sugar and keep your hunger from being affected. When it comes to the ability of apples to fight fat, it may not only be fiber. 17. Coconut and citrus. Wake up with a delicious dish, the flat belly that tastes like it directly from the tropics. Packed with resistant starch and potassium, bananas are a healthy carbohydrate that benefits metabolism and reduces swelling. 18. Grapefruit, ginger, and turmeric. This passionate smoothie explodes with grapefruit, ginger, and turmeric. Grapefruit can increase the body's digestive enzymes and burn stored body fat. Ginger has been used for centuries as a natural remedy to accelerate gastric emptying and flatulence treatment. 19. Butter, apple, and asparagus. This thick green smoothie and cream provide a slightly sweet taste and soil. Butter is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids. Fats from plants help increase heart health. The latest research also shows that these dietary superstars can even easily digest and target belly fat. 20 Chocolate, cannellini bean and cinnamon. Cream and chocolate, this smoothie is so obsessed that it's unbelievable when it's packed with superstar ingredients. Quality dark chocolate, anything over 65% cocoa, contains antioxidants and healthy monounsaturated fatty acids, which help speed up metabolism. The unique addition of cannellini beans provides protein and fiber to help you feel fuller and regulate digestion. 21 Carrots, mandarin and cayenne. This stylish orange smoothie is mixed with a sufficient amount of cayenne to give it a satisfying kick and help increase your metabolism. Naturally low in calories and full of nutrients, carrots are a smart food to lose weight. Foods rich in vitamin A, like carrots, can affect fat storage. Researchers have noted that obese people tend to have low levels of vitamin A in their tissues, which may prevent cells from functioning at optimal levels. 22 Papaya, yogurt, and mint. This tropical peppermint smoothie is so refreshing that you'll imagine you've been taken to a remote island paradise. Packed with vitamin C, papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which helps you break down hard-to-digest foods, prevent inflammation and bloating. 23. Salted tomatoes, basil and carrots. If you are a tomato fan, you will love this. We mix everything with a delicious smoothie. This flat belly drink has a taste like fresh gazpacho tomatoes. Low in calories and packed with flavor, plants provide potassium to help fight to bloat. Plus, because the tomatoes' water content is high, they will help you feel full. And because they are rich in fiber, carrots help improve digestive health. Our belly fat is not formed in 1 or a week, they are formed in many months for many years, so you expect me to drink a few cups of smoothie and after a week of having the ideal waist, then it is impossible. Talk to your thoughts like that. Persist in using these smoothies every day, combined with eating and sleeping on time, you will get good results. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it useful, please share it with the person who needs it and subscribe to the channel to get new useful information.